Woodpecker's new Micro-Squares give you access to the tight spaces so critical to detailed joinery. You have your choice of double square or combination square heads, and both come with half and quarter-inch blades. The hallmark of handcrafted joinery is tight details that can't be achieved with machine methods. Laying out and checking those fine details requires a square that fits. Woodpecker's new Micro Double Square, fitted with its quarter-inch blade, lets you check the inside faces of extremely fine dovetails and mortises. If you also work with tiny miter joints, the Micro Combination Square can check both square and 45 degrees. But these squares don't stop at the tiny stuff. They're perfect to keep in your pocket to check edges while machining, check corners during assembly, set up machinery, and check chisels and plane irons while you're sharpening. Both squares come complete with a wall-mountable racket with space for the square and its alternate blade. Like all Woodpecker's products, the Micro-Squares are precisely machined and carefully inspected in our Strongsville, Ohio facility just south of Cleveland. Precision squares that fit in the palm of your hand. Order your Micro-Squares today.